Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is how you'll be able to check your Bloom airdrop. So Bloom airdrop checkers is live. So immediately you open the app, just come over to this place. You can see this place is scrolling. Just scroll it to where they say Bloom. Okay, it has reached the end. They just take it down. You say Bloom airdrop checker live now. This is how you'll be able to check it. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do wait to subscribe. So you just click on Am I eligible to see? Immediately we click on Am I eligible? It will show you your path to the Bloom airdrop. Check if you are eligible. Make sure that more than 100k the bloom point. You have more than 100k bloom point, at least 75 MP or proof of activities, at least two referrals, and a pass symbol. You see this place immediately. You click continue. You see that I don't have up to what 100k blue point, at least 70. I don't have it. At least two referral, I don't have it. And you can see the only one that I have now is part the symbol check. It says do more to qualify. In this part, what you have to do, just click on do more to qualify, then click on let's come over to this other part so that okay, train boat. You come over to this train boat. Just first of all you have to want to okay, this train boat. No, let's go over to, let me launch it again, and let's go over to this main point. Understand, I say click on main point. In this main point, all what you have to do is just to trade 700, trade with trading bot. In case you don't have all those lists now, trade with trading bot in order for you to get 750 watt main point. To get 750 main point, that is how you're able to get 750 watt main point. Let me take it again. Let me go back to it again. Okay, let me go back. Okay, am I eligible for you to get main points? Then I'm not eligible for you to get this main point at the middle. That is how you do it. Then for you to get at least two friends, you have to refer two friends. Then more than 100, just need to come over to this. Just need to go back. uh Then more than 100, you have to farm. You have to farm on any other things. You have to farm so you get up to what, more than 100. You know why I didn't put my Z on this thing is that all of them is safe. I don't understand. Airdrop of a thing now, I don't know where they are going to. So this is how you're able to check your what, your airdrop allocation for the blue point. Just click on it. If you are eligible, you see your airdrop allocation and every other thing. So thank you very much. God bless you. See you in my next video.